The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Kasing Jaintia Revolutionary Council Central Body hapo iya Ahmad u Presiden Uli Ferdinand Suyam Dewa Emlang u Vice President u Artis Seri u General Secretary u Hipor Seyo u Working President Utmu Hadem Dalaya Chemgi u Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hill District Hajrong ke Yurim wa Penslemu i u LGD Code ya ke chnong Mowluber. Nay dawom MODC de ye chem wa kawi kezo SDO Sardar West Giant Hills hay wada pensingaw wa ipenslem wo e yaw LGD Code yang gachnong Mowluber dawan ra go ye do myntoi iwato uyo go katkam ka chithi wada yo na Mission Director ka State Rural Empowerment Society wa Mission Director ka Community and Rural Development Meghalaya wada pha chaw DC ka West Giant Hills hajrong ka yurim wo e yaw LGD Code yang gachnong wada pha na do snam arhaja arpausok khanang yo ye upan krekam ye skim sarkar khamtam ka job kat wahado katte niliang ko yung kreka modisi impuyi ko u LGD Code ke chnong Mowluber niliang ka kezo da ongo wadaw ya kalam wo DC wa ki saheb sarkar wa ta opai ya kachnat CNRD wa ile wa penslem wo yaw LGD Code chakani ke chnong wadaw pentibwan chakaseng niliang ka sain de kentu ko yung kreka modisi wo pensmat wo yaw LGD Code nei benta ke chnong Mowluber yo myntoi ke chnong kam wa to yo go
to le yung ingesen JRC barangkat omlang uhe chnong yang Mowluber leg ski de bojung to ODC ndrem yo ye cham ODC yo ye cham wa kamadam wi ke so man leg IS SDO Sardar le bentau ye klam le bentau to wa pending LGD Code kamad yo jingtim na Commission Director of State Rural Employment Society Director of Community Rural Development Lebih tak datuk yo yang new LGD Code apa chnong Mowluber. Dan Dawa to wa ling yang office yang DC da bukan isu yang new LGD Code Dawa tahu skim datuk yo chnong Mowluber nadu skim uyo gina sentral berkam tam ya ka jokat dan ki hagen skim dispaski ndai ling yang ke office yang DC yang mem isu yang LGD Code ling yang kita dok ye jing myntoi ko ni chnong na tham yang ki ndre ling yang igesei de yo ye cham wa kam dam keso ndre ling yang kale de ego ashran dan ne uto wo ye klam wo DC dan ne wo officer yang wa CNRD blok lesken ne binta uto wa pe bini dan ne uchim ke ye ni kam nang wa yo isu no ki yo new LGD Code nang wa yo wan ke myntoi de ki skim ki wan na de skim central par gino ta skim yo myntoi ki chnong tade ling yo igese ni te don hi e ge ku bor ling yo office yo DC bo sa ba isu no yo new LGD Code nang wa ki chnong Mowluber hi yo ki myntoi yo ki skim ku kar ki